put this. Chat, it's gonna seem like a lot of salt, pepper. It's a big hunk of meat. All 3 days. We got to open one gift on Christmas Eve. Hi Spence, hello, Merry Christmas. Hi Ashley, oh my God, are you making beef stew? Cause same later. Yes, I am. Are you making beef stew tonight as well, Ashley? Oh my God, we have to have a beef stew off. Ashley, I hope I can see you at some point. Both Ashley and I were like, we were like that Spider-Man photo where we're both like pointing, looking at each other because me and her are both cooking on Christmas and we both invited each other to each other's Christmas. And I was like, I'm cooking. She's like, I'm cooking. And I'm like, well, all right. I'm going to have to come over and try it. So we'll have a stew off. Same here, but with brisket. I will say the one thing I'm not good at, and I admit to, is I am not good with, I'm going to season this and then kind of scrape up some more. One thing I'm not good with is like grilled meats. I don't know how to make brisket or ribs or anything, or at least I've never tried, so I'm gonna chuck it up to I don't know how to do it. We'll have rolls, yum. I was lazy today, Ashley, and I just got Texas toast. But tomorrow we're gonna be doing a whole like mini Thanksgiving spread, basically. So it's gonna take a day and night. To be honest, it's a lot of hard work. I can imagine. There's also just so many, like everybody has an opinion on the right way and wrong way to do it. I do ribs. I like the way my dad does ribs. But the thing is I think the reason I've never tried to make ribs is because the way that I like ribs, to eat ribs, is not the way that I feel like most people like to eat ribs. Because I like my ribs a little charred. Like I like them to have like a thick, charred crust on them.
Da, 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 da.
I'm here, guys.
Okay,
it's going to be okay
nice
now.
Season on that bad boy. Oh, I forgot to get that one side. Hi, YouTube. Thank you so much for the 2 months. All right. There we go. We got to get this one side. Yep, and we're just going to put some oil in a pan, brown this bad boy up, and we'll put her in a big old pot. And we'll just cook it on low on the stove. It's not the way that I want to do it, and I feel like it's not as efficient, but it's how we're going to do it. I guess I could put it in the oven. Because I feel like it's kind of a waste of gas, like on a gas stove, to leave the gas on for that long.
Stop rubbing your meat, Kurgo
What do you guys
300.
think? I usually make my pot roast in a crock pot, so I'm open to suggestions when it comes to not having a crock pot. Same way to do it, it's just which cooking utensil do I want to use? Cooking device. My husband smokes brisket every other week. It's the best. Oh my God. Aren't you lucky? Stovetop all the time. Gas is more efficient. Okay. Do it in the oven after you sear it. It's going to be submerged in broth. All right. We're going to put some oil in here. I'm going to use some, I think this is avocado oil. And we're just going to heavily coat it because this is a big chunk of meat. There we go. And then we'll get our pot out and we'll start making, what's it called? Our little juice. I ended up getting some thyme and rosemary, aka the guy shopping for me did. Crockpot is probably in the pantry. Ooh, let me see actually. That's might be. Wait. How do you guys know this house more than me? Wait, is that the crock pot? That's a big ass motherfucking crock pot. Hold on. Holy cannoli. Holy crock pots. Wait. I think this is a crock pot. Oh, it is. Ooh. Look at this thing. That's what I should have asked for Christmas. I should have asked for a damn crock pot. My crock pot is so little. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. I'll make sure I wipe it down too, because it's a little dusty. Oh my God, look at that. It's a little big for what we need, but it's absolutely perfect. Let me kind of move this out of the way and we'll kind of wipe it down. Oh! I don't know. Probably not cook it in that. I think that's the warmer.
Da, 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 da.
I have one there awesome.
I'm just gonna old-fashioned wash this with soap and water because that's scary. Leo, thank you so much for the 2 months. Is that Buddy's bed? I will say one thing that did worry me about Buddy when I came in today was he did not bark at all. And I don't know if he was maybe just sleeping because we have a guest in the house. I'm talking about this damn house like it's mine. I don't live here. But I like walked into the kitchen and Buddy was like outside of a door and he was so out of it he didn't realize that I came in and when I like said his name he looked at me and then he kind of like woke up but that was it kind of scared me for a second. I don't know if he's maybe sad that both Nick and Catchy are gone. So it's just a little bit more quiet in the house. And obviously I don't stay here, so I'm not here at night. Also, sorry you guys can't see what I'm doing. I'm just washing this. Nothing to see here. As much as I would love dust and whatever the fuck was in this crock pot. I think I have plenty of seasoning. Also, I'm sure my oil is nice and hot and ready to go. Okay. Put that down for a second. And let's go put this beef on this. Let's put the fat side down first. Oh yeah. I'll just use this to wipe. Because this is like